guys, today I'm going to be doing a wig review. I literally feel like I haven't done a wig review in like the longest time, but this is a new company. I've never tried them before. As you guys see, it's already on my head. This is the brand Readywig. So basically this is a synthetic wig. They do have human hair as well on their website. It isn't a lace front. These are like wigs. As you guys can see, this is like a fake scalp right here, and this wig is in 24 inches. It has a little flower, which is kind of cute. It kind of reminds me of like Hawaii, which is nice. And then it has a weaving cap. So basically, just to get your hair out of the way, I just use wig caps basically. And then it has the hair care. And then it has their social media and all that good jazz on the back. So I'm going to look up the specs really quickly. I have it up. So it's a Readywig. It's the gray body wave. It's a synthetic wig, and it has bangs, and it's 24 inches. It retails for $26.99. So it's not too bad for a synthetic wig. It's pretty normal priced. It's not too much, but you do get a lot of like volume in this wig, so I like that. It's not like super thin. It does have hair fibers that are heat friendly. It says it has 180 Celsius, so I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit. I don't know how to convert it. I probably should have converted it, but they have it in Celsius. But this is what it looks like on the mannequin head. I literally didn't do anything to this wig. I just put it on my head, and then I added some powder in here just to make it a little bit darker. I feel like it's unnecessary because it kind of made it like a weird color, but it's nice. I feel like the ring light is making the wig look super shiny, and then on camera it's making it look really gray, but this in person looks like a brown gray. I don't know, it's not as gray as it is as it's coming off on camera. So I try to switch up the setting because earlier when I was filming this video, the wig looked super shiny and I was like, this is not cute, but in person it doesn't look that shiny. So I was like super confused. But if you feel as though it is super shiny, you can always add dry shampoo to get the shine out. And I do have a discount code if you guys are interested in this wig. Let me find it. So my discount code is Jazzyda 8OFF. So it's JAZZYDA 8, the number 8 OFF. It doesn't tell me how much percent you get off of it, but it is a coupon code, so you can save some money, which is always good. I believe you can use it with any of their products because they do have like extensions, I guess, or like tracks and stuff like that, and closures and frontals and stuff like that. So you don't have to get a synthetic wig if you don't want that, because they have other things. But they do have a lot of the Readywigs basically. They have it in categories, which is kind of nice. So it's like wavy, straight, da 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 da. But none of them look like they're lace fronts, so just an FYI. But so these are for the people that really like wigs or don't mind not having a lace. I feel like it would be better if it was a lace front because it looks more natural when it's a lace front. But the good thing is it does have that fake skin on the top instead of like the circle closure.
So these are all the wigs that they have. When I click on this side, it does have lace fronts, and then they have the actual wigs. So when I said that they don't have lace fronts, I was completely wrong. They do have lace front options. So if you do like lace front wigs, they do have a ton of lace front wigs, which is awesome because I feel like lace front wigs look more natural because of the parting and then the lace in the front. But you can see that they have so many options. And then when I was saying about the bundles, see they have a human hair. So basically it's like closures, and they have weave. So it is cool. There's so many things that you can get on this website. I love me a loose wave. So let's check that out. And the prices are pretty good. You can get bundles as well. So that is the website. I just thought to show you guys.
So that is all I can say about this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!